Hello everyone, this is Renta Roof and today we are here at Mahagun Medallion, an ongoing residential project by Mahagun Groups in Noida Sector 107. Mahagun Group has created a reputation as one of the best builders and developers. They have built world-class commercial and residential properties in Noida, Ghaziabad and Delhi NCR. Till now, they have great record of luxury residential projects M Collection by Mahagun, Meadows, Mizaria, Majestic and many more. Now the most recent one to join this collection is Medallion. And इस वीडियो में we will tell you everything you need to know. The most exciting part about this project is its price. So stay tuned till the end. सबसे पहले let's talk about what a great location this is. Ideal for many reasons, like if you buy for investment purposes or want to move in with your family. Noida Sector 107 is best known location and strong social infrastructure, and mostly luxury residential projects are here in Sector 107. This sector has witnessed remarkable infrastructure growth in recent years, and this will become even more accessible with the upcoming Aqua Line Metro and Noida International Airport, which will further boost the value of this project. Also, it is near central Noida, so Delhi connectivity already मिल जाती है. You also get connectivity to major roadways like Noida Expressway, Kalindi Kunj, DND, Jewar Airport. Sector 104, Sector 108, Sector 137, all less than 30 minutes away. Shopping malls like DLF, the Great India Luxury Place, Logic City, Central Mall are also less than half an hour distance by car from this place. Educational institutions are also nearby, all less than 30 minutes away. Amity University, Lotus Valley International School and more. Healthcare facilities में there is Apollo Hospital, Fortis Hospital, JP Hospital and Kailash Hospital. In recent years, many infrastructure changes have happened here and many more are currently ongoing. So this location is completely apt and drawing many people's interest in residential and commercial properties. Now let's talk about the building itself. It has two entries, one from a 75-meter wide road and another from 45-meter wide road. बात करें इसकी आर्किटेक्चर एस्थेटिक की, Mahagun is planning Art Deco theme, which pairs well with the new age royalty theme of this project. The building has strong colors and finishes, and as you can see, it just gives off that modern royalty vibe. Let's check out the 3D model now. तो जैसे कि थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने अभी आपको लोकेशन के बारे में बताया था, let's have a look to the location, connectivity to the Kalindi Kunj Expressway, Airport, and this Noida Greater Noida Connectivity Expressway. Here's the dummy model of Mahagun Medallion. 10 acres of land. First entry करते हैं यहाँ से तो we see commercial spaces, then we see low-rise towers, and then comes high-rise towers. Just in the area, there is 50,000 square feet of club area of 5 levels. Clubhouse के बाहर इस साइड 70% green area, that is almost 1.25 acre of green forest area. There is also resort-like feel with an Olympic-sized swimming pool. Here is the party lawn. The side has also sports areas and courts are also provided. Now let's talk about the residences. First, you know it's gonna be good because each tower here is named uniquely. Like there is a tower called Amber Palace, another Sapphire Palace, Iconic Tower, Platinum Palace and more. Another great thing, there is low density project, so in high-rise towers there will be only 2 flats per floor, and in low-rise independent floors are also available, which means more privacy to you. 3 BHK and 4 BHK apartments are available with duplexes. Sector 107 has mostly high-rise towers, so if you are somebody who prefer low-rise living, then Medallion is a choice. Another unique feature of Medallion is the terrace garden, something no other project in this lane or location offers. You get beautiful greenery, BBQ spots, seating areas and more right on your terrace. Nearby builders of this sector are offering rates at 24,000 rupees per square feet area, but here at Mahagun Medallion they are offering just rupees 13,400 for limited period. So hurry up guys, till 20th April, then the prices are going to increase, so just hurry up. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Do let us know in comment section that you are looking for the residential or commercial properties, and subscribe Rent a Roof to know more info.